3D printing has made the path of transplant easier. It's changing people's lives by creating custom body parts from artificial limbs to skin for burn victims. This means patients don't have to wait as long for transplants and can get parts that fit them perfectly. Effective use of AI in cancer treatment. Scientists are using AI and blood tests to detect cancer easier and earlier. In India, AI is being used to spot breast cancer in its earliest stages. We've started using it to read X-rays in places where there aren't enough doctors. Gene mapping to help treatment of serious ailments. The power is in you. Doctors can now look at a person's genes, the instructions in our cells that make us who we are, to provide more personalized treatment. This especially helps newborns by spotting potential health issues early on. Sweat can indicate whether or not you have consumed alcohol. Technology is making it easier and faster for doctors to check what substances like medicines or drugs are in a patient's body. Biomonitoring wearable sensors that detect alcohol in sweat can now monitor drinking in real time through smartphone apps, offering an alternative to traditional blood or urine tests. This makes treatment much safer, especially when monitoring alcohol levels. Watches and shoes will track heart rate and blood sugar. Smart wearables now leading the way to a healthy lifestyle. Watches, fitness brands, rings and shoes can now track your heart rate, blood sugar and sleep patterns. This can help catch health problems early before they become serious. Popularity of telemedicine increased. Telemedicine is booming. More people in India are seeing doctors through video calls and phone consultations. We saw this rise by 35% this year. Use of digital health IDs for medical records. Digital health IDs for over 685 million people, making it easier to keep track of their medical history. The health ID of every citizen will also work as their health account, to which personal health records can be linked and viewed with the help of a mobile application. Increased government budget for health services. The Indian government has increased healthcare spending by 13% in 2024. Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman has set aside 91,000 crore rupees in the annual budget. This money will help improve hospitals and make healthcare more accessible for all. Cervical cancer vaccination for young girls, a government focus. The government is focusing on preventing cervical cancer by offering vaccinations to girls aged 9 to 14 years. This is an important step in protecting young girls from getting one of the most common types of cancers later in life.